Looking to lift your vehicle without spending a fortune on professional gear? In this video, we'll show you how to build sturdy DIY wooden ramps using reclaimed boards. It's a simple and sustainable project, perfect for those who love DIY and want to reduce waste. Welcome to this Alpagiama DIY tutorial. Using reclaimed wood not only saves you money but also helps protect the environment. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and hit a like. Thank you. Here's what you need: sturdy old wooden boards, a saw to cut them to the right size, strong screws, and a drill. Cut the boards to form a gradual ramp, with a wide, stable base that can handle the weight of your vehicle. Make sure to cut the ends of each board at a 45-degree angle. This helps create a smooth incline for your vehicle to roll up easily. Once your boards are cut at 45-degree angles, start stacking and assembling them to create a progressive incline. Secure each layer with strong screws, making sure the ramp is stable and safe. Before using the ramps, test them with a lighter load to ensure stability. And that's it. With a few reclaimed boards and some basic tools, you've built eco-friendly, affordable, and reliable ramps. DIY projects like this aren't just budget-friendly, they're also a chance to be more sustainable. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new DIY ramps.